Alright, we're here today. We're going to do a little update. We're going to install this track. And we'll see how that goes. But Philip's got lights in. He's got it painted. Starting to store his Barbie tools up there. Turning it into a workshop. It's looking good.
Have a skidding shed,
Yeah.
and have a sliding hanger for the animals. Now we get a deer or a moose, we bring a quarter in, hook her up, slide her up.
Yeah.
Have a place to hang our animals and put them on the table. Bonus.
We're getting there.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Cutting some chains for adjustment. Be able to bolt through it so they don't come off the track. Philip's going to do the other side there.
Oh, you want me to go through this, eh?
No.
Through this.
Yeah, just go. No, go right to the end, as far as you can to the end.
Too close. Now I gotta do a whole new screw.
Alright. It's a good setup. Should help us this fall.